GreenPAK is a broad family of cost-effective NVM programmable devices that enable innovators to integrate many system functions into a single custom circuit. These integrated circuits let you create a wide range of circuit designs applicable in many spheres of modern technology, starting from simple glue logic, reaching the complex communication protocols. These ICs have a distinctive feature that makes them even more attractive to use. They can be easily programmed in the GreenPAK Designer software available for free. The graphic interface lets you make great applications in a matter of minutes. It doesn't require any programming language skills. You can configure various blocks like pins, lookup tables, comparators, and others, and we're going to tell you more about each one of them in our next tutorials. The GreenPAK Designer software also lets you test the circuitry and program your device through the development board via a USB connection to your personal computer. Download the GreenPAK Designer software following the link in the description of this video, and let's start the GreenPAK adventure into the amazing world of electronics.